Radha and Bhaskar, evergreen young couple made for each other in all respects. Don't envy them. No tea and newspaper will be served unless the young evergreen couple sips their first tea in a jula. They should take jula wherever they go. Now, portable jula, nylon or jute julas are available. Only thing is their weight. Before computerization in railways booking, I used to book them for departing at Dadar station, Western Railway. After seeing them off at Dadar Western Railway station, many queries are awaiting me at Tapovan number 2. The first query is whether the berth is upside or downside, whether the families are nearby, whether they are good families, whether they are having children. These queries cannot be answered in many years to come. Long live Bhaskar and Radha to help we live a healthy life and prosperous life. Wishing Radha and Bhaskar a family a, for every many more years to serve the society as well.
Radha and Bhaskar are like the two sides of a coin, complementing each other and sharing responsibilities both at home front as in their profession. I am Ichechi to both Radha and Bhaskar. My childhood memories with Radha are very strong. As children, when I was 8 years and Radha 5 years, we lived till then we lived at Tiruvalla with Appachimar and Perappan. After that we came to Bombay along with our Ammumma who looked after us when Achananamma would go for practice and programs. But Ammumma, most of the time she was in the hospital and my mother had to be with her there. So Radha and myself shared household responsibilities along with our studies. Thus, we matured at a very young age. Thereafter, we started learning dance. Late Guru Nanupillai Ashran came to Bombay to teach us Kathakali. He stayed with us for more than 5 years. We were lucky to get training from him. It was like a Gurukula Vasam for both of us. Thereafter, we got opportunity to learn Bharatanatyam from Guru late K.P. Kittappa Pillai. We were trained in other classical forms also by reputed gurus. We owe all this to our dear parents. Achan Amma, myself and Radha started teaching dance classes at Bengal Chemicals, Worli and many other places. We started giving several programs for social, educational, and cultural organizations. Many a times, we used to have programs almost every day. Purappada in full Kathakali costume was a must for all cultural and tourist programs arranged by Yogendra Desai, a famous connoisseur of art and an event manager of those days. Bhaskar Menon, a product of famous Kerala Kalamandalam, has earned name and fame as a Kathakali performer and teacher. Radha and Bhaskar together have established the Mudra School of Indian Classical Dances. I wish both Radha and Bhaskar a very happy 50th anniversary. May God bless you both with good health and long life to continue to carry forward your profession.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, dear Radhakachama and Kochachan. On this special day, we wish the best of health, happiness, peace, and prosperity to you. We have fond memories of the many vacations we spent together at Bombay, Ahmedabad, Mugambika, and Tiruvalla. Kochacha, your great sense of humor kept everyone in high spirits always. Radhakachma and Kochachan, you nurtured and built together Mudra, earning name and fame. We pray that we all meet again soon to celebrate these special occasions together again.
A very happy 50th wedding anniversary, dear Radhapachma and Kochachan. You are both made for each other with a common interest in dance. Together, you have popularized this art form by training so many students to whom you are a guru and mentor. Wishing both of you the best of health and happiness and many, many more years of togetherness. Happy anniversary!
Dear Achan and Amma, wish you a very, very happy 50th wedding anniversary.
50-ാം വാർഷികം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും ആശംസകളും ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യവും ദീർഘായുസ്സും നേരുന്നു. നിങ്ങളെന്നും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അച്ഛനമ്മയും ഗുരുക്കന്മാരും മാർഗദർശികളും ആണ്. മുദ്ര സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ സർവാത്മക ശേഷിയുടെ ആഴം കലാകുടുംബത്തിലേക്ക് വരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. ഏത് ചെറിയ കലാകാരനും മുദ്രയിൽ ബഹുമാനിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു, പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു, നൃത്യാചാരമായ കലാദമ്പതിമാരാൽ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു. ജീവിത സാഹചര്യങ്ങളിൽ വിഷമഘട്ടങ്ങളിൽ നൽകപ്പെട്ട മാർഗനിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾക്കും കാണിച്ചു തന്ന വഴികൾക്കും ഗുരുക്കളെന്ന നിലയിൽ കടപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു. കലയെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്ന അനേക ശിഷ്യഗണങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളിലൂടെ ലഭിച്ച സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങൾ 50 വർഷം പൂർത്തിയാക്കുന്ന ഈ വേളയിൽ പുണ്യങ്ങളായി വർഷിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. കലാകാരൻ എന്ന നിലയിൽ എൻ്റെ നിയോഗമായിരിക്കാം 50 വർഷം നീണ്ട കലോപാസനയ്ക്ക് പക്കമേളം ഒരുക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത്. സംഗീതം നൃത്തം ജീവിതമാക്കിയ ഇവരോടൊപ്പം ജീവിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത് അസുലഭ ഭാഗ്യമായി പുണ്യമായി കരുതുന്നു. എല്ലാം മംഗളാശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
Achan and Amma, you are not only my parents, but my guru and my best friends. I wish you a very, very happy and healthy life ahead.
मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्य देवो भव, अतिथि देवो भव. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. A very happy Golden Jubilee anniversary, dear Achan and Amma. When you celebrate the 50 years of glorious love, affection, partnership, trust with each other, we feel very blessed to have you as our guru, mentor and parents. We are extremely fortunate and blessed to have you as our gurus, our mentor, our teacher, and also as our parent who always have stood by us no matter what, have been a great support, have taught us the value of family and the good moral values.
Gifted us and Gujarat, Mudra, and today Mudra is a huge family and you are the head of the family who we look upon to support and guide us. Thank you so much, Amma and Acha. May you be blessed with all happiness, health, wealth and prosperity and many, many years of togetherness. Namaskaram.
Wishing you a very happy golden anniversary, Achan and Amma. Words are just not enough to express how I feel about you both. Although I am poor in expressing my feelings, I hope I am able to convey what I feel. It takes 50 years for marriage to turn gold. You truly love each other, no matter what. You are a perfect pair. You both make me feel loved always. You both are an inspiration to all of us. You have taught us that love must be taken care of with respect, care, and forgiveness. Although we are still learning, both of you are so special in your own way and push the other one up when things are not going that well. That's an amazing teamwork. Your unity brings happiness to my heart and a sense of pride of having you as my parents. People should learn from you how to stick by for the better and for the worst. You both are great parents, in-laws and grandparents. As you reflect back today on the 50 years of your marriage, may every memory bring a smile to your face, and strength for another 50 years together. Once again, happy Golden Jubilee.
Wish you a very happy 50th anniversary, Mutisha Mama. I pray to God that you always stay happy and bubbly like you always are. Even though I've turned 25 now, there is no secret about my personal life that I haven't shared with you. If you know, you know. I remember one incident when I was 13 years old. I used to use Mutisha's phone quite often. I used to download all the games in it, because of which his mobile bills used to be worth 3 to 4,000 every month. And poor he used to pay all the bills without even scolding me. When one day Amama came to know about the bill, and she got very angry and scolded him like anything. And poor he didn't even say my name. That shows that how much of loving and caring grandparents they are. Whatever cooking skills I've inherited, it is from Mutisha, as we all know that how much of a great cook he is. While Amama is a great planner and an advisor and an even better entrepreneur. Both of them are an inspiration for me, Vaishu and Samriddhi. Once again, wishing both of you a very happy anniversary, and may God bless you with good health and a happy life ahead. Thank you.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, dear Mutisha Mama. I cannot begin to describe how blessed I am to have amazing grandparents like you. You have made our childhood so memorable. I still remember when we used to miss our uniform at drive-in, and Mutushan used to drive down to our house around 6 a.m. with the uniform ironed and drop us to school. Amuma used to prepare me for the exams, while Mutushan used to make hot tea and bataka poha to make me happy, which I still cherish. Even today, I enjoy spending time with both of you. You too know that the best quality of Mutusha Amuma is they can mingle with any age group. I have grown up seeing both of you in so much love with each other, helping each other always and supporting the family. You both are an inspiration to all of us. I pray to the Almighty to give both of you good health, peace, and happiness in the coming years. Love you both.
Happy Golden Jubilee, Tata Tati. I love you a lot. You are very sweet and caring grandparents. My Tati gives me food in my mouth and tells me many stories, and my Tata gives me everything what I want. I love you so much. Happy Golden Jubilee again.
Dear Vellima and Velacha, wishing you both a very happy 50th wedding anniversary. Cheers!
I've had some lovely memories, childhood memories during my Ahmedabad trips, especially during Raksha Bandhan, where I used to travel to Ahmedabad for Raksha Bandhan to tie Rakhi to Anu, as he was the only brother then and the brother who was close to our place where I belonged to. We used to have a lot of fun, a lot of laughter, a lot of entertainment, and I used to enjoy thoroughly during my visits. So whenever we used to, or in fact I wanted to laugh and have fun, Ahmedabad used to be the place, driving used to be the place wherein I used to go and spend a lot of time with Vellima and Velachin and my cousins. I would like to share some lovely experiences I've had with Vellima and Velachin. Vellima and Velachin have always been nice to me during our visits to Ahmedabad or otherwise. Especially Velachin. He's always come to Baroda to help us, to support us whenever we required. I remember during my pregnancy and delivery, especially during my delivery, for my delivery, Velachin specially came to Baroda to support us. And when Shambhavi was a little baby, when she was an infant, and when we visited Ahmedabad, I remember very vividly that she had wet the mattress, and Velachin, I was a little bit perplexed, and the mattress was soaked, and I remember Velachin telling me, "Don't worry Neetu, it's okay," and he lifted the entire mattress and put it out to try. So it shows how compassionate and how kind Velichen is. He's an excellent human being, no doubt about it. He's an excellent father too. Thank you so much, William and Velicha, for all the help. Thank you, William and Velichan, for the full tune entertainment and love.
Happy Golden Jubilee marriage anniversary to the most beautiful dancing couple, Baswatan and Rachi. To go back in our childhood, when you were married, Baswatan entered our family with a very distinct personality of an artist by profession. This was something unique in our family, and my parents welcomed an artist son-in-law. Baswatan is an exponent of Kathakali and an eminent guru too. During our childhood, Baswatan used to always come in par with our age level and accompany us in all indoor games as and when they visited Mumbai. Radha, on the other hand, is the backbone, decision maker, supporter, motivator to Mudra and her family. Radha was also actively involved in finding grooms for her siblings too. We always remember our yearly vacation to Mokambika and Kerala, where you both accompanied us for many years. A memorable time always cherished. We pray to the Almighty to give you many, many years of health, long life, peace and happiness.
Raichetti and Baswatan wish you a happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary!
Happy wedding anniversary, dear Radha Velima, dear Bhaskar Velichan. Wishing you both many, many years of happiness, togetherness, good health, peace, love, care, togetherness. Wishing this beautiful dancing couple happy 50th Golden Jubilee wedding anniversary. Happy wedding anniversary!
ബാസുവേട്ടനും രാജിക്കും 50-ാം വിവാഹ വാർഷികത്തിൻ്റെ അവസരത്തിൽ സന്തോഷവും ആയുസ്സും സമാധാനവും ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
അപ്പോൾ അതിനോട് ഈ സന്തോഷം മ്യൂസിക്കൽ മൊമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആയിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ വെരി ഇൻഫോർമൽ ഒരു ഇതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് അത്ര വലിയ ആക്യുറസി ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല.
तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। तूने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तूने नहीं जाना। तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना।
ഇനി കാർത്തികേയൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു മലയാള ടച്ചുള്ള ഗാനങ്ങളിലേക്കാണ് കൂടുതൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നത്. അത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പഴയ പാട്ടുകളിലേക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ബാസുവേട്ടനും രാജിക്കൊക്കെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നൊരു പാട്ടായിരിക്കും. ഒരു രണ്ടുപേരി വലിയമ്മോടും വിളിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറയാം കാർത്തിക്.
എൻ്റെ സ്വപ്നത്തിൻ താമരപ്പൊയ്കൾ വന്നിറങ്ങിയ രൂപവതി നീലത്താമരമിഴികൾ തുറന്നു നിന്നെ നോക്കി നിന്നു ചൈത്രം നിന്റെ നീരാട്ടു കണ്ടു നിന്നു എൻ്റെ ഭാവന രസനവനത്തിൽ വന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു വനമോഹിനി വർണ്ണ സുന്ദരമാം താളങ്ങളേന്തി വന്യപുഷ്പജാലം നിറയായി നിന്നു വരവേൽക്കുവാനായി ഒരുങ്ങി നിന്നു ആ ആ ആ
താങ്ക് യു കാർത്തിക് ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്. ഇനി ഒരു പഴയ പാട്ട്, ഞാനും ഈ ഒരു മുഹൂർത്തം ഒരു ഗ്രഹാതുരത്വ സ്മരണോണർത്ഥം മുഹൂർത്തമായതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാനൊരു പഴയ പാട്ടിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് 80കളിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് പരിചയപ്പെടുന്നത്. ബാസുവേട്ടൻ രാശി കുടുംബമായിട്ടൊക്കെ. അന്ന് അപർണയും അനുവൊക്കെ വളരെ ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഓർമ്മകൾ, ഇറ്റ്സ് എ വെരി നൊസ്റ്റാൾജിക് മൊമെൻറ്റ്. ദോസ് മൊമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഓൾവേസ് it's an endearing moment and always we keep it live, refreshing also. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു മുഹൂർത്തത്തിൽ, ഈ 50ാം വാർഷികത്തിൽ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും എല്ലാവിധ സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങളും രാശിക്കും ബാസുവേട്ടൻ്റെ കുടുംബത്തിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനൊരു 2 വരി. ഹൃദയ സരസിലേ പ്രണയ പുഷ്പമേ ഹൃദയ സരസിലേ പ്രണയ പുഷ്പമേ ഇനിയും നിൻ കഥ പറയൂ. ഹൃദയ സരസിലേ പ്രണയ പുഷ്പമേ ഇനിയും നിൻ കഥ പറയൂ. അശ്രുതി നീലിത മിഴികളിലൂറും അശ്രുബിന്ദുവൻ സ്വപ്നബിന്ദുവോ ഹൃദയ സരസിലേ പ്രണയ പുഷ്പമേ ഇനിയും നിൻ കഥ പറയൂ, നീ പറയൂ. താങ്ക് യു. ചിയേഴ്സ് ഫ്രം പുത്തൻമണം കൈലാസ്, തൃശ്ശൂർ. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. കാവ്യമാലയുടെ ഒരു പ്രധാന ഘട്ടത്തിലേക്ക് അനു പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഈ വാർഷികത്തിന് 50ാം വാർഷികത്തിന് കുറച്ച് നല്ല സ്മരണകൾ തരാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് 1960 വയലാർ ദേവരാജൻ ടീമിൻ്റെ നദി എന്നുള്ള ചിത്രത്തിൽ ഒരു മനോഹരമായിട്ടുള്ള പാട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ കാർത്തിക് അത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ് വല്യച്ഛനും വല്യമ്മയ്ക്കും വേണ്ടി. ഹാപ്പി 50th ആനിവേഴ്സറി. നമുക്ക് പാട്ടിലേക്ക് പോവാം.
1000 പാദസരങ്ങൾക്കിരുങ്ങി ആരുവാപ്പുഴ പിന്നെയുമൊഴുകി ആരും കാണാതെ ഓളവും തീരവും ആലിംഗനങ്ങളിൽ മുഴുകി 1000 പാദസരങ്ങൾക്കിരുങ്ങി ആലുവാപ്പുഴ പിന്നെയുമൊഴുകി ഈറനായ നദിയുടെ മാറിൽ തീവിടർന്ന നീർക്കുമിളകളിൽ വേർപെടുന്ന വേദനയോ വേരിടുന്ന നിർവൃതിയോ ഓമനേ ആരോമനേ ഒന്നു ചിരിക്കൂ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി 1000 പാദസരങ്ങൾക്കിരുങ്ങി ആലുവാപ്പുഴ പിന്നെയുമൊഴുകി ഈ നിലാവും ഈ ചുറ്റും ഈ പ്രളയ കൽപ്പടവുകളും ഓടിയെത്തും ഓർമ്മകളിൽ ഓമലാളിൽ ഗദ്ഗതവും ഓമലേ ആരോമലേ ഒന്നു ചിരിക്കൂ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി. ആയിരം പാദസരങ്ങൾ തിരുങ്ങി ആലുവാട്ടുപുഴ പിന്നെയുമൊഴുകി.
Cheers everybody. ആലുവപ്പുഴ ഇനിയും ഒഴുകിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും ഈ സ്മരണകളിൽ, ഈ ഓർമ്മകളിൽ. താങ്ക് യു. ശുഭരാത്രി.
Happy Golden Jubilee Anniversary, my dear Williamma and Vilayachan. Wishing both of you good health and happiness in the years to come. Cheers. Thank you.
Happy Vidyanesi Amma Muttasa.
അമ്പതാം വിവാഹ വാർഷികാശംസകൾ.
Cheers.
First, let me wish our wonderful couple a happy golden 50th wedding anniversary. Our sincere prayers for your happiness, good health, and long life together. Cheers, and please have a large scotch on my behalf to stay cheerful and healthy.
Wishing you a very, very happy anniversary, the 50th one, Rachi and Baswetan. I remember Baswetan coming to our Mayan house. I was just a toddler. He was like an elder brother to all of us. I was hardly 6 years old for your marriage. I remember the entire Panikat family had come to Ahmedabad for Rachi's reception. Then the May vacations, when Achin used to book the tickets, we used to go by bus to Mukapika, and from there we used to go to Tiruvalla. Some vacations, Rachi and Vasudhan used to come to Bombay to take care of us, when only Amma and Achin used to go to Tiruvalla. As a child, I remember I and Vasudhan used to fight a lot, as even I wanted to play cards and carrom board, but they wouldn't take me as I was too small. Then as I grew up, everybody was fond of me as I was the youngest, and everybody had a soft corner for me. I remember Papa and Amma had arranged, we had all gone together to Haridwar, Badrinath, Rishikesh. We all had a real good time. I remember we used to go to Ahmedabad for programs, staying in the Sejal house with Papa and Amma. After I finished my 10th standard, I stayed nearly a month in the new driving house. Rachi used to teach us Kuchipudi. Radha was a teacher before marriage. I remember her teaching us before our exams. Then later on, after Aparna and all got married, we were the summer vacation partners. Rachi, Vasudhan, Anu, Amma, me and Priyanka. As Pradeep couldn't come for a long time, those Tiruvalla days, going to see the Kadavali in the temple, it was real fun. Rachi and Vasudhan, I pray to God that to bless you all, may you have all happiness, good health, peace of mind, and many, many years of togetherness. Thank you.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Williamma Villacha. Have a great one.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.